Hello students, welcome to my channel Cosmos Presentations. And this is your Dr. Svigneshwar Meka. And after 10 months, the government has issued to reopen the colleges and schools. And here we will go with the reopening of the colleges under the jurisdiction of Usmania University. Today, that is on 29th January 2021, the Usmania University has announced a news. Here we go with this. The reopening of degree colleges under the jurisdiction of Usmania University after COVID-19 holidays. The Usmania University has given a circular to reopen the colleges of undergraduation, post-graduation and professional colleges after a 10 months gap. The lockdown issued by the government and both the central government and state government. And after a long time, the government has decided to open the colleges step by step with the prescribed guidelines. When do colleges will be reopened? From 1st February 2021, that is Monday onwards, the colleges will be reopened in Telangana across all the districts. Most of the students are also eagerly waiting to rush into the colleges because they are getting bored in the homes since they are staying at homes for 10 months. What are the colleges to be reopened? All government degree colleges, aided degree colleges, and private unaided colleges. Mostly the colleges, all UG colleges, PG colleges, and professional colleges. The Special Chief Secretary of Education, Government of Telangana, Hyderabad, has issued a letter and to the universities, instructing the universities to direct the colleges under the respective jurisdictions for reopening of all the undergraduate, postgraduate, and professional colleges from the 1st February 2021 onwards by following the COVID-19 guidelines issued by the government. Accordingly, Usman University has decided to implement the guidelines of the government of Telangana for reopening of all the colleges for the final year students of UG, PG, and professional programs with effect from 1st February 2021 onwards by the following guidelines. The guidelines to be followed. To reopen the colleges, both at UG and PG and professional level, only to the students of final semester and final year with effect from the 1st February 2021. And it is also mandatory to follow the SOP, Standard Operating Procedure COVID-19 guidelines. The colleges offering engineering courses to reopen for the third and final year students only. It is mandatory to all to follow the standard operational procedure COVID-19 guidelines for both colleges and students. After the opening of the colleges, college should obtain an undertaking from the students and parents stating that they have tested negative for the COVID-19 and they would follow all the COVID-19 guidelines as per prescribed by the government for prevention of COVID-19. The undertaking should be supported with a medical certificate in a prescribed format. To conduct the interactive sessions and practicals during the month of February 2021, followed by the semester exams in the month of March 2021 to all the students of final semester. Minimum attendance will not be required for appearing in the examinations of the current semester of the academic year 2021. The maximum of 50% classroom capacity shall be permitted to attend physical classes on a rotational basis. No decision on opening of hostels and messes taken so far. Till then, stay safe, take care.